During Mart Days of KTM Virtual 2021, you can visit https://virtual.keralatravelmart.org portal. From the portal, you can click on the Login KTM button to enter into the exhibition area. It will navigate you to the user page. Here you can enter the user credentials, and after that you can click on the login button. System will navigate you to the exterior view of the KTM Virtual 2021. You can click here to start the experience. Once you clicked on the start experience, system will navigate from the exterior view to the interior view. You will be launched here on the lobby area. We are starting our navigations from this launch area. Here you can view the advertisements and sponsorships and the advertisement video, etc. Also you can view the navigation indicators here. Here you can navigate to various areas like reception, exhibition hall, auditorium, etc. You can navigate using clicking on the image shown here, or you can use the quick launch button shown on the bottom of the menu. First we will go to the auditorium area. You can click on the auditorium area to navigate to the auditorium. All the programs like inauguration function, seminars, valedictory functions, etc. are going on this auditorium. Here you can view the schedule of the auditorium, and you can click on the launch button of the particular event you want to view on the auditorium screen. All the live events as well as the completed events, you can click the launch button to launch and view on the auditorium area. Next area is the exhibition hall. You can click on the exhibition hall area from the image, and system will navigate you to from the lobby to the exhibition hall. All the seller stalls will be listed on this exhibition hall. You can navigate through various stalls using these navigation buttons. You can go backward and forward using these buttons showing here. And while you are navigating through this exhibition floor, you can click on a particular stall to visit that stall. From the exhibition floor, you have the search exhibitor option also. If you want to go to a particular stall, you can search using category, stall number, organization name, etc. If you would like to search stalls using categories, then you can click on the categories listed on the left side, and all the stalls listed under that particular stall category will list out here. Otherwise, if you are going to search a particular stall, then you can enter the name, and after searching that, the list will come out, and you can click the view button and you can directly go to that particular selected stall. Once you are in a stall, you have the option for video chat, chat with executive. You can view the documents uploaded, you can view the videos uploaded, you can view the social media links, you can drop your visiting card if you are interested, and you can view the contact details and website. You can click on the images uploaded by the seller here, and you can view it enlarged. Also, you can view the videos posted by the sellers by clicking on that video, and you can play that video. At the time of the mart, you can have a schedule, and based on that schedule, you can start the video chat from here. You can click on the video chat and you can directly call the particular seller or buyer at that time of the appointment. Anytime while you are visiting a stall, you can have chat with the executives. When you click on the chat with executive, all the listed out users from these stall will list out here, and you can click on a particular user and you can start the chat. Next, you can view the documents uploaded from the seller. You can view or you can add it to the bag for later downloading. You have a virtual bag with your account, and you can click on the add it to bag option while you are visiting a stall, and that document you can later download from the virtual bag. Similarly, you can view the videos uploaded by the seller, and you can view the social media links. And if you are interested, you can click the drop your visiting card option to drop the visiting card. And finally, you have the option to view the contact details and the website details posted from the seller side. Now we will discuss about the appointment schedule. You can view the scheduled appointments from the quick link menu of the bottom menu options. You can click the appointment schedule, and it will load all the schedules of the day, and you can navigate to the various schedules, and you can click the meet button to go to the particular stall for starting the meeting. This is the first option, and you have another navigation options which given at the top side. Here the current meeting timings are showing, and also here we can navigate to that particular meeting by clicking the go to current meeting option. Or in the case of a seller, you have an option at the top side called my stall. You can click on this to directly go to a stall from anywhere of the mart. Or if you are in any other areas of the mart, you will receive the incoming call alert at the time when a call receives, and you can accept the call, and which will redirect you to your particular stall, and the call will be answered automatically. At the time of the meeting, if you are clicking on this go to current meeting, you will be redirected to the particular stall where you have the meeting. And you can start the video call by clicking this video chat option, and you can start calling. Once the call is accepted by the other end, you can start a video conference, and after that you can drop the call. Or in case if you are receiving the call, there will be a ringing option will come, and you can click on the accept button to start the video call. If you are anywhere other areas of the mart, like you are in lobby or you are in auditorium, then also you will get the incoming call notifications, and while you are clicking on the call notification, you will be automatically redirected to the particular stall, and the video call will be started. We have the launch area on the quick launch, and you can click on the launch button, which will redirect you to the launch area, and in the launch you can view all the available buyers or sellers who doesn't have meetings, and you can click on that particular buyer or seller, and you can start the chat. And you can view the virtual bag from here, and the documents ordered from various stalls will be shown here, and you can download it by individually, or if you can download a property wise as a zip file, or you can download the entire virtual bag as a zip file itself. If you need any help during the mart days, you can click on the help desk option shown here, and here you can view the information posted from the secretariat. Also you can view the agenda, and you can have the chat option here. You can click on this, and you can have the chat with the executives who are online here. Also you will have a technical assistance here also. If you have any technical queries, you can go to the help desk and you can ask with the technical desk. And in the case of general queries, you can ask with the other executives online here. Finally, you can give the feedback after the mart.